Pare! Wala na naman nangyari masama. Pare! Sige, paano na lang sa lolo mo? Pare! Kaibigan lang. Isipin mo na kasabla ang kalabaw sa probinsya. Kaibigan lang kita. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Nice to meet you. Kiss mo na lang ako dun sa nililigawan. Sabi mo sa kanya, pinapasabi ko, sagutin ka na niya. Anong pa? Justin! Tama ba? Jasmine? Justin? Justin. Justin?
Jasmine.
Kundi, tama ba? Justin. Justin. Nasaan na si Justin? Taas ang kamay. Justin. Huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa.
Boom, kara-karaka.
Huwag ka nang mag-aksay ng panahon dahil unang-una, hindi ka rin naman kagandahan. Magpasalamat ka na nga may nanliligaw pa sa'yo. Ako nga, nag-downan, di pa ako sinipot. Hindi, pero enjoy your time as kids. Enjoy friendship. And enjoy love. Just be responsible. You know? Life is beautiful when you take responsibility. Okay? It's alright that you seize the moment, but you have to make sure that you pick the right choices. Okay? You're only 21? 23. You're very young. You're very small. So you have to think twice or thrice before you insert the ATM card to the machine. Because once you deposit, you can also withdraw. But don't push it when it's offline. Okay? Be good. You to be good, huh? I need to talk to him. It's like a brother, you know. You're what, 23?
Yes.
Oh, this is only 12 years old, I guess. Ay, palakpakan naman natin siya. Thank you so much for being such a good sport. Thank you. At dahil sinamahan mo ako rito, meron kang premyo. Iuuwi mo itong cake ko. Yan ang gagamitin mo sa kasal ninyong dalawa ni Justin. Naka-red kang ganyan. Maraming salamat. Salamat. Thank you. Ayan. Okay. Siyempre gusto ko naman magbihis at mag-retouch. Dahil sabihin niya, sa buong gabi ito lang ang suot ko at ito lang itsura ko. I need to retouch and, you know, change my clothes and prepare for, you know, summer songs. And, you know, I want to entertain you some more because this is going to be such a great night with you all. Okay, will you allow me to go backstage for a while and change clothes? Okay, nobody leaves, okay? Wait for me, alright? Kung sino man ang uuwi na maaga, mamamatay. So, lahat tayo dito lang. Okay? Pero, ito lang parang sniper lang. Pero for now, hindi ko naman iiwanan ng entablado na hindi kayo mag-enjoy. Meron akong bit-bit na sadyang mahusay at love na love ko. Ladies and gentlemen, madlang people, please welcome Ate Girl Jackie!
hiyawang mga taga-Guam.
Yes.
What's up, Madlang people?
Tuwang-tuwa ka, Jackie. No, first time po ni Jacqueline sa Guam.
Grabe, first time ko po dito. Sobrang ganda po. At sobrang init po ng pagtanggap niyo. Maraming salamat po.
Parang naiiyak
Ba't
ka.
parang iiyak ka?
Nakakakilig kasi na nandito ako ngayon. Tapos nagpa-perform pa ako para sa Madlang people.
Ah, yes!
Ito ha, ikaw naman magpakilig sa kanila.